Hey, happy Tuesday. Here we are for our Tom Talk, and I'm here with a couple of folks today that are very important. We got Natalie Towns from our prevention section and Julia Neighbors from Prevent Child Abuse Georgia. I wanted to ask you a couple things. Y'all have a helpline, right?
We absolutely do.
Can you tell us a little bit about that?
I would love to. So the 1-800-CHILDREN Helpline is a statewide information referral phone number for parents and caregivers looking for resources at the local community level. It contains thousands of local resources, anything from prevention resources, counseling services, after-school programs, basic needs resources, and the lovely thing about it, it's also really helpful for professionals that work with families and children.
Right.
And then beyond that, about a year ago, we launched the resource map that is attached to the database. And this is an online portal that's public-facing that anyone who has access to the internet can come on, enter their address, and then look for resources online. And so once you identify what resources you're looking for, you can print out a spreadsheet of those resources. So I think it would be really helpful for the employees of the division to be able to use when they're working with families.
Absolutely. I think that's PCA Georgia Helpline, or which website? We'll get the website on it.
Well, actually, it's on our website, but it's also
website.
available as a link on Shines.
Excellent.
So
okay.
That's, I think, easiest for division employees to access. Yeah.
And Natalie, of course, this being Prevent Child Abuse Month, that's sort of in your bailiwick. That's your department. Tell us a little bit about, I understand we're going to have a parent advisory network coming up this summer. Tell us a little bit about that.
Sure. So the Prevention and Community Support section decided to help the division create a parent advisory council. And the great thing about it is we actually have parents and caseworkers helping us plan the council. And so we're going to have members from all over the state, parents who have been involved with the system and parents who have not been involved in the system, parents who have received support services in their communities that have kept them from having to enter the child welfare system. And so by having this parent advisory council, they're going to be able to help give the division a voice, a parent voice, have parent engagement, let us know what worked with them, what would they have needed more of in the community to help and support them. So Tom, I think that's going to be a great thing for the division to have.
Absolutely. I think certainly the more that we can learn from people who've gone through this experience themselves, the better we can do for the families and children in Georgia. Of course, I'm here in the governor's office today in front of the picture of Tamachichi, who's one of the early Creek Indian chiefs back around the time of that Georgia became a colony. And we just had a wonderful meeting with Governor Kemp. He is always just noted for all our employees who are in this meeting to celebrate Prevent Child Abuse Month, that he really respects the work that all of you on the front lines do. He asked me to reiterate that to you. So a couple of things that are going on. I just want to make sure that we've got a workforce survey out to you from the University of New Hampshire. I hope you'll please focus on that and fill that out. We also, of course, as you probably know, are working with the National Child Welfare Workforce Institute over the next couple of years to really improve our workforce. And as I've been going around the state and talking to frontline caseworkers, I want you to know that we're going to be asking both frontline workers, supervisors, folks at all levels of our agency to give us their ideas, to give us your ideas about how we can improve our agency. I know we have a lot of work to do, both in preventing child abuse, but it's certainly also in the work that many of you do in responding to child abuse, and of course in providing the economic support to families that may prevent a family from falling into an abusive or negligent situation. So thanks y'all so much. Hope you make sure you wear blue jeans on Fridays if you want to celebrate this month. And y'all have a good time. We'll see you next week.